Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to set up DNS on Squarespace. Connecting your custom domain to your Squarespace website is a crucial step for establishing your online presence. We will walk through the entire process, ensuring your site is properly linked and accessible to visitors. This guide will help you understand the necessary steps to configure your domain name system settings, making sure everything works smoothly from start to finish. Let's get started. First, you will need to log into your Squarespace account. Once inside, head over to the Settings menu, then select Domains. Here, you will see a list of your connected domains. Choose the domain you wish to configure. Within that domain's options, look for Advanced Settings or DNS Settings. This is where you will manage all the necessary records to point your domain correctly to your Squarespace site. It's a straightforward process. Now, let's configure the actual DNS records. You will typically need to add or edit two records, pointing to Squarespace's IP addresses, such as 198.49.23.144. Also, create a CNAME record for www that points to verify.squarespace.com. If you use a custom email service, you might also need to add MX and TXT records provided by your email provider. Always double-check these values carefully. After making your changes, it is essential to verify that everything is working correctly. You can use online DNS lookup tools to check if your records have updated. Remember, DNS changes can take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet. If your site isn't loading after this period, double-check your record entries for any typos. If issues persist, Squarespace's customer support team is always ready to assist you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.